10 towns in the UK that refuse to give up and are changing for the better. Not every town that falls on hard times stays there. Across the UK, places once written off have quietly pushed back, rebuilt confidence, and started reshaping their future. This isn't about overnight miracles or glossy marketing slogans. It's about persistence, local pride, and slow, visible progress. 10 towns in the UK that refuse to give up and are changing for the better explores communities that refuse to accept decline as their final chapter. From former industrial centres to overlooked seaside towns, these places show how steady regeneration, cultural revival, and renewed purpose can change a town's direction without losing its identity. 10. Barrow-in-Furness, England. For decades, Barrow-in-Furness was defined almost entirely by heavy industry. When shipbuilding declined, so did confidence. Jobs became scarcer, younger people left, and the town gained a reputation for being isolated and stuck in the past. But Barrow never stopped working. Investment in advanced manufacturing, particularly in specialist engineering, has brought stability back to local employment. Infrastructure upgrades, town centre improvements, and skills training have helped reconnect Barrow with the wider region. The change hasn't been flashy, but it's real. Today, Barrow feels more secure, more self-aware, and quietly optimistic about its future. 9. Rhyl, Wales. Rhyl spent years carrying the weight of outdated seaside stereotypes. Once a popular holiday destination, it struggled as travel habits changed, leaving behind empty attractions and a damaged image. Rather than chasing nostalgia, Rhyl began focusing on community renewal. Public spaces have been redesigned, housing standards improved, and cultural venues revived. There's been a strong emphasis on local engagement, education, and family-friendly regeneration. Rhyl is still finding its modern identity, but the shift is visible. The town feels more lived in than forgotten now, with a growing sense that it's rebuilding for residents, not just visitors. 8. Hartlepool, England. Hartlepool's story mirrors many post-industrial towns, once essential, then overlooked. Manufacturing decline hit hard, and for years the town felt disconnected from national growth. What changed wasn't one big project, but many smaller ones. Investment in waterfront regeneration, creative spaces, and heritage projects has helped Hartlepool rediscover pride in its history while planning for the future. New businesses are filling old buildings, and cultural events have returned to the town's calendar. Hartlepool hasn't erased its challenges, but it has stopped shrinking from them, choosing reinvention over resignation. 7. Merthyr Tydfil, Wales. Merthyr Tydfil carries enormous historical weight as one of the birthplaces of the Industrial Revolution. When that era ended, the town was left struggling with unemployment and outward migration. But Merthyr never lost its sense of identity. Recent regeneration has focused on town centre renewal, tourism linked to its dramatic landscape, and investment in education and transport links. Community-led projects have played a major role, giving locals a voice in shaping change. Merthyr's progress is gradual, but its direction is clear. The town is no longer defined solely by what it lost, but by what it's building again. 6. Middlesbrough, England. For years, Middlesbrough was reduced to headlines about decline, despite having strong cultural roots and a resilient population. What's changed is a shift in ambition. Investment in digital industries, education, and the creative sector has begun diversifying the local economy. The town centre has seen steady improvement, with new housing, public spaces, and cultural venues adding life back into daily routines. Middlesbrough still faces social challenges, but it's no longer standing still. The town has begun reframing its image, proving that regeneration doesn't mean abandoning character, but strengthening it. 5. Grimsby, England. Grimsby's identity has long been tied to fishing, and when that industry declined, the town struggled to redefine itself. For years, it felt stuck between past glory and future uncertainty. Recently, that balance has begun to shift. Renewable energy, particularly offshore wind, has created new employment opportunities. Regeneration around the docks has brought investment back to neglected areas. Skills training and infrastructure upgrades are slowly rebuilding confidence. Grimsby is still evolving, but it has found a new role that respects its maritime roots while embracing modern industry. 4. Paisley, Scotland. Paisley spent decades overshadowed by nearby Glasgow, despite its rich cultural heritage and architectural beauty. Industrial decline left empty buildings and limited opportunities, but the town never lost its creative spirit. Major investment in cultural regeneration, historic restoration, and public spaces has helped Paisley reconnect with its identity. Museums, libraries, and performance spaces have been revitalised, drawing visitors and encouraging local pride. Paisley's transformation isn't about becoming something else, but about remembering what it already was and modernising it for a new generation. 3. Scunthorpe, England. Scunthorpe's future was questioned repeatedly as its steel industry faced uncertainty. Few towns in the UK have lived under such public scrutiny for so long. What stands out is Scunthorpe's refusal to give in. Diversification efforts, logistics investment and skills retraining have helped stabilise the local economy. Community initiatives and town centre improvements are rebuilding morale. Scunthorpe's journey has been difficult and ongoing, but it shows how resilience can exist even under pressure. The town's story is no longer just about survival, but about adaptation. 2. Blackpool, England. Blackpool's decline was once used as shorthand for faded seaside Britain. Outdated attractions, seasonal work, and social challenges dominated the conversation. Yet Blackpool never stopped trying to reinvent itself. Investment in education, conference tourism, digital industries, and housing renewal has begun changing daily life beyond the promenade. Cultural projects and transport improvements have strengthened year-round activity. Blackpool still carries contrasts, but it has moved away from stagnation. The town feels more complex now, less trapped by its past reputation, and more focused on sustainable growth. 1. Stoke-on-Trent, England. Stoke-on-Trent may be the clearest example of a town that refused to give up. Once heavily dependent on pottery and manufacturing, its decline was deep and long-lasting. What makes Stoke stand out is its determination to rebuild without erasing its identity. Creative industries, advanced manufacturing, and education have become new pillars of the local economy. Historic buildings have been repurposed rather than abandoned. Community pride has returned through culture, sport, and heritage. Among the 10 towns in the UK that refuse to give up and are changing for the better, Stoke-on-Trent shows how resilience, patience, and belief can reshape a future. Change rarely arrives loudly. In many UK towns, it happens quietly, street by street, year by year. These places didn't wait for rescue. They adapted, invested, and kept going. 10 towns in the UK that refuse to give up and are changing for the better reminds us that progress doesn't require perfection. It requires persistence, local belief, and the courage to imagine something better without forgetting where you came from. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.